Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see unpaid orders in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to see unpaid orders in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to see unpaid orders in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to see unpaid orders in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing unpaid orders in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on orders. If you have hundred of orders and few customers haven't paid, you can check and ask for the payment as well. How you can do that? Click on unpaid button. You are seeing customers who haven't paid. Open order. Now you are seeing email. Contact customer and ask for payment. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see unpaid orders in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.